Hey guys, this is Blaylock the Mortgage Guy, House Tours. Come with me as I tour this piece of crap rancher. This house was recently flipped or remodeled. I'm going to show you some of the details inside of what's so spectacular about it. The door is so shiny, it looks like it has Crisco or chicken grease on it. You got like a light blue or teal here, white, dark blue, and then you got some golden brown in your backsplash. Backsplash is hideous, looks like dog shit. And then you have a crack up here where they should have just put molding in there or something. Instead they put about a half inch of grout, which looks awful. Nothing up there. As you can see, amateur job. I mean, this is just so nasty. It's just so nasty. And then I guess we can get LeBron James to get us some paper towels from the top. So here we got something interesting too. We got 3 different color cabinets. We got a maple or cherry look. We got a gray. We got a white. They left a blue toilet in there. I like that. It's an old toilet. I guess they wanted to save money somewhere. New toilet would have been about 60 bucks. But I guess so we have a blue vanity, black fixtures, light blue toilet, looking good, guys. The next funniest thing I saw was there's an exhaust fan. This belongs in the bathroom for when you take a shit. This is up in the ceiling in the finished area of the basement. Hey guys, another thing. Is this a spaceship? A porthole to a cruise ship? And then they also put the door protector thing at the top. I like that. I guess people are flipping houses and doing things their own little way. And I guess this light here is just to keep the door, so you can have some light back there in the back. I don't really get it. Then for our outdoor space, we've got interior recessed cans for our outdoor space. Hopefully no one gets electrocuted and dies if they're having a party down here. As we leave, we'll walk upstairs. We have the two-tone. We got the whatever we got going on here, and then we've got the different color. Nice, isn't it? Hey guys, Blaylock the Mortgage Guy. If you like what you've seen in this video, classy work, 665 in Carroll County. Give me a holler. I know a good agent I can set you up with, and I can do your financing.